Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome once again to all my new and old friends on the Tech with Akmal YouTube channel. I am here with another unique video for you all. In today's video, we will be comparing ChatGPT and DeepSeek. I have provided the same prompt to both AI tools and will analyze their outputs. ChatGPT has already started generating the code, and now I will log into DeepSeek and enter the same prompt. We will generate an HTML file using both tools and then upload it to the WordPress post section to compare which one delivers the best results. As you can see, ChatGPT has started generating the code, and now DeepSeek has also begun. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, setting notifications to all so you never miss an update. Now that DeepSeek has generated the code, let's proceed. First, we will copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it into the WordPress post section. ChatGPT has provided the code in three parts: HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. We will copy and paste each of these into a single file and preview the output. Now, let's check the output generated by ChatGPT to see how it appears. Next, we move to DeepSeek, which has generated the entire code in a single file. We will copy this file and paste it into WordPress before previewing the results. Looking at the preview, DeepSeek has produced a perfect, professional code that follows the site's layout and design structure accurately. The results from DeepSeek appear much more satisfying compared to ChatGPT. Additionally, in DeepSeek, we can add various input sources such as income sources, deductions, and tax credits, while ChatGPT's output lacked customization and relied solely on predefined inputs. After reviewing both mobile and desktop versions, we can conclude that DeepSeek is the better AI tool for this task. ChatGPT still requires many improvements in this area. If you're interested in creating tool-based websites, you can get them approved by AdSense and start earning revenue. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.